Are you looking to create your own personalized Instagram avatar? If so, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, you'll learn how to easily create an avatar of yourself with the Instagram app on your iPhone. I'll walk you through each step in detail, from choosing different styles and colors to changing the appearance. After watching this video, you'll be ready to show off your new avatar and express yourself with creative flair. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap where it says, Edit Profile. And now you'll be able to see your profile picture, and right next to it you have the option to create an avatar. So go ahead and tap on that. And then tap on, Create Avatar. And now that you are in the process of creating your avatar, choose a skin tone for your avatar. After that, tap Next. And now you can customize the appearance of your avatar. Simply select a hairstyle and a hair color. And then you can choose an outfit for your avatar. So basically, you can swipe through these options and customize your avatar in any shape or form you like. You have a lot of different options to choose from. Once you've created your avatar, simply tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.